Wow! Parade pa more. Hello folks! Mag-barbecue me. Madumi dito sa landong kay mag-barbecue me. Indot kaayo ang panahon, init kaayong adlaw. In fact, today is the hottest. Like I've seen the scale of 31 degrees. 31 degrees in Scotland. That's phenomenal. Pero init gid siya. But it doesn't matter. Ang mission for tonight kasi 7 o'clock na or nearly 8 o'clock na sa hapon sa gabi. Mag-barbecue mi dito sa doon sa may pond. Yay! Happy na mi sa mong spot. Morning spot nga ako napilian last time. Right. Right, kani diri nga spot ba nindot diri mag-barbecue kasi landong pwede ka magdala diri og kana bitong portable nga griller. Sold na. We get to the spot now. Asa mi mag-barbecue. Excited. So diri na mi mag-set up sa amo ang mga lutuan. Nice, no? Paminawa ka ang mga birds. Yan na. Ayan na, nag-start na ang among baga-baga. So if you cook it, just cook it the proper way. Para ma-enjoy nimo ang taste. So, namitas ko sa mga bula, kaya ako siya libutan sa akong flower vase. Na aming neighbor sa likod nag-asya kung unsa ko gibuhat. Right, I'm just going to show you this beautiful and amazing work of art here. So this piece of structure here is dating back around 1700s, and this is the remnant of the mansion that is owned by the elder family who gifted this park to the people of Govan. Another interesting part sa aning site is kaning tree. It's called the linden tree. Kung muduol ka diri, ang yang blooms mo smell murag cologne. Very interesting. Definitely a history that is worth telling for. And kaning tree, I so love to see them. At one point nakita na ko diri na ay natulog. Nagbutang siya og kanabitang duyan. Nya red color pag yun. And again, look at the vastness of this park. Impressive, no? Then you can see children nga magplay diya sa playpen. Mudagan, magsinggit, magsipa-sipa sa bola, pero walay bola this time. But mao na ako ma-witness every time may mga bata magdula. Nga okay ba? Right. Let's go back to the barbecue bit. So that's the meat. So this is the meat, then is marinated. It's pork na. And then yeah, that's how it looks like. So yeah, nakarong i-dump sa sa may apoy. Humot kaayo. Ingon ko sa mga neighbors, pasensya na gyud ka na nga mo yung barbecue. Skandaloso kaayo ang smell ba. But you know what? This is such a great idea. Ngano ka na siya diri sa laag. Tuwa ning ipadaplin. Very refreshing kayo makita ning mga klase nga bulak. Kasi they grow wild. Sa tingin mo, luto na yan?
Hindi pa.
Balihan lang.
And then, sa'yo, just
Yeah.
kasi lalagyan ka ng garlic sa'yo. Akin, lalagyan ka ng garlic and rosemary.
Okay.
Ang ganda. Inaano mo yung hangin? That's solid.
Humot na kayo kong barbecue karon.
I'm gonna take a bite. Oh. Barbecue heaven. It's good barbecue.
Let me see.
The barbecue. I like the char. I know it's a bit of a overwhelming char,
Yeah.
but the marinade worked. Soy sauce, garlic, sesame seed oil, and hoisin sauce. Great stuff.
Yeah, you did put hoisin sauce.
Yeah.
And then
Because to contrast a sweetness factor on it. Because if you don't put sweetness, it could have been sugar, but I said, why not just hoisin sauce? It would be better.
great.
Now,
Excelente. Excelente.
now, another 2 to 3 minutes and we're okay. 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. Quick char that you see here is not only because of the heat, but because of the sugar content
Excuse
of
me.
the soy sauce. Sauce. So, but That's the kind of barbecue you like. Something that has char on it. Just don't want to overcook it because it won't be really nice to eat with a lot of char.
Not don't have any plate, but the chopping board will do.
I bought it specifically.
Wala, nasunog lagi siya. Ayaw kay sunugan lang.
The beef patty, we'll eat it with
The bun.
with a burger bun. And
That's the bread. And then we will chuck them into that oven para ma-toast. So, inana lang. No? Mo-discard ra gid ta para mabuhi. And then pack in the oven. Another one in the oven. So, we really found this beautiful spot, no? Kaso lang wala mi plate, but we have the foil as a replacement for plate. So, okay ra. Lab, sunog na ang tinapay. Sunog na.
okay.
Okay. Mayo on the wow. Getting there. So dinner is almost ready.
You hit it with mayo on both sides.
Sit and sit. Ready na ang dinner. This is such a very beautiful sight. Nanubo na po sila balik. Last year, the same. And then, fall, winter, and springtime mula sila. Karon kay summer na. Balik na po sila. How beautiful.
Dito.
Among neighbor nagpatukar og country music. Unbelievable. Mga favorite songs nato, love.
Wraps.
This is a good idea kasi instead na amo ang kaunon bare ang pork chop, amo siyang gamitan ng wraps. Is that it?
I'm wrapping it now. And
Thank you. This is my share.
yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. That's my share and that's his one.
Just fold it.
Okay. Cheers! Ikaw. May sunog. Paig. Hapit na mo gabi pero okay lang. I so love the breeze. Tawa nang ako ang very love kaay nga cook. Kugihan kaay siya eh. So man na yung gibuhat. Ang wrap. Continue, and the wrap continues. Mga unday taninyo. So kanang mga kahoy, mao ni ang mga punuan nga na-uproot during the storm. Pero napuslan siya, no? Na repurpose. Kaning among plan nga mag-barbecue, dugay na gid na siya. Kaso lang wag gyud madayon-dayon kay usahay, muinit, mawala na pod. But this time, since yesterday, nindot yun kay ang weather in Colab. I think this is high time na mag-barbecue. So, insigida gyud kong panyangge para matuman ang kaning amo ang outdoor barbecue, which is really really cool. Kunya dito sa unahan na apoy nag-barbecue. Ang saya-saya. Ka-beautiful sa sunset. Food is always part of our daily lives. Barbecue for dinner is always a little more fun when we eat outdoor. And having it done in this community park is something very special.